Hatai Hachugrogo Hamkrai Busuk Jurati Yungka Nuke Shaimano CPM ni Jora 2018 Bishi Sekango Baga Chathol Edisi Blezo Thanglai Shok Klaina Bagai Lama Gatam Swnamwi Rwjakmani Boshno Ponishimi Pomangbari Te Pomangbari Nishimi Puranbari Amche 7 km Kolok Lama Swnamwi Rwjakmani Phiaba Bishi Charkawi Kasam Angjak O Lama Harokwa Gai Tongbaikha Wati Jora Thanglai Shok Klaina Kirima Shingsa Angjak O Lama Kasamno Swnamwi Rwjakliya Thanglai Klaithani Jengjalok Klaijak Lukurogno O Amchio Tongo Nukung Khung Thamrao Khorok Neira Bachini Slai Kabang Borok O Lama Tei Salbrum Thanglai Klai Tongo Kabangma Lukurogno Wairewai Thanglai Klaithani Lahar Patimung Patikha Shagdokho Manbaikha Abukari Malkhung Kotor Thangphaibo Klaimania Kamio Kotor Deramungni Patimung Patike Horbothanai Brindia Rokni Malkhung Phaiman Galak Tei Ambulance Rokbo Phaiman Galak Haini Bagai Tini Julai Talni Neijisa Salmari Tangshalo Fungo Puranbari Amchaini Lukurogno Gathawi Lama Swnamlaikha Borok Kok Shilchakha Tangbidingni Tangphangrok Waisabo Phai Naifia Gaza Tei Korbuk Bukastefa Silasuri Block ni video bo Phai Naifia Hani Shaikna Rakha Kamiam Che Tongai Lukurogno
Noni Parabai Gari Kana Busuk Jura Sal
Sini Parabai Sung Awa Himi Kainai 3.5 km Rasta Sala 3.5 km Chung already Yakungbai Himi Thain Gari Makaya Alai Sizora Dreya Wati Prantei Birat Wati Wahalai Awa Magrong Tei Hinikia Ton Tei Goza Bo Prai Padrokai Thangalai Banmia Ai Matonglai Badan Makaya Yara di Shawabasta
Ai tabok Swnamlaikha 4 km Songano Salba
Sini yang tia maha व्यवस्था करे रास्ता बक करे तामिलनाडु जों ताबक मायाव खैजाय माइथु तैते जों ताबक काम खायमा फैयो रास्ता बक जों तानिलाय 3.5 किलोमीटर जों हिमेसे ताबक रास्ता सामन खायमा फैयो तानिबा चिनिबाय इ पन्चायत चिनि बगातल पन्चायत इ चिनि पारा द्रे कहसे माने असक बसर हा चिनि पारा द्रे साक्सत्रि खाय फैया चिनि पारागो खाय फैमना चिनि ताव माफराबो ताव तंमानिबो ताव कुनाव करे ताव जों निदिरबो हुख्ला चाय माटं ताबक Kaya nanya kere wati perante yang lah wati rok payah sini idraya. Kuna himani kuna au kere yang dia habu pura onek habakan tanin lai himla pura yatek so kapaga badan adat thane bajang bikhari jeban khlai ma thanglaya jang boro rokom bodrok khlai thamaya din lama bo birat kosto bini bai samasya jang hel sana nongna sat jana hel khlai di pina asa kani koroklai
Noktabok Boroni Phai
Sung Tabok Rasta Kam Khaifia
Rasta Kam Khaifia
Rasta Kuai Awa Gari Pasong Mia Cycle Pizunto Pasong Mia I tell me Sung Shirak Parani Zoma Clay Awa Milay Awa Kam Claima Pajalaya No Kia Cloud High
Ar kaya kaya mai chan aw mai khujai no thaja जों ताबक समंग
Odek Maisani Tangak Sung Ta Jetong Mani Ira Maishu Tei Pijara Sung Ira Salang Nahini Ira Tongla
Imo Bojaga Halai
Imahalai Korbok Sa Division Silasuri Block Andar Kalaya Alai Bogas Tol Pomsai Puranbari Parani Mangla Puranbari
Wati Rok Prante Halai Mani Rasta Rok Himni Rok Barai Mani Kosto Nangya
Wati Felai Onek Kosta Sung Yang Tia Garigura Hamiato Somisha Hatang Hawa Kathai Wati Rok.
Hello, my name is Dr. Neelam Ahmed and I am the Managing Trustee of the Dhanvantri Group of Institutions. Here, I would like to share with you our journey. I am a medical doctor who studied in MS Ramaiah Medical College. In 2003, my husband and I started the nursing colleges, the Dhanvantri Group. We started with nursing, but today we have several courses and programs: allied health sciences, pharmacy, management studies, paramedical. And the good news is that today we started our Dhanvantri Multi-Speciality Hospital. We have very good, experienced and well-trained faculty who take care of the students like their family members and are excellent in their teaching. Our students, after passing out, do very well and they are placed very well in hospitals across the world as well as India. We have excellent teaching facilities for our students, including full-fledged labs. We have all affiliations and approvals from the government. Our campus is easy to access as it is at a walkable distance from the Chikmanawa railway station.